Hey folks, clouds hanging around the valley today. Temperatures staying a little cooler than yesterday, not just because of the clouds, but of course the front came through overnight, giving us less than 1/10 of an inch of rain. And these are the currents. 61 in Port Isabel, Brownsville's at 63. Everybody else in the 60s as well. A pleasant evening across the area. Pretty clouds out there too. The ones that are there look kind of cool. Overnight tonight, we'll mostly end up in the 40s with some clouds early, clearing later on. Cooler spots, Rio Grande City 43, Raymondville as well. Harlingen about 42. Staying a little more mild at the coast, about 56 for a low tonight at South Padre Island. Then tomorrow, most of the valley back in the 70s, but just the low to mid 70s. North wind early, turning around to the southeast, about 5 to 15. But I think we see plenty of sunshine tomorrow. Looks like it ought to be a very nice day across the area, but chilly in the morning. Take a jacket with you early because temperatures will start in the 40s, top out around 73. The normal for mid-February is 74, so we'll be right in the ballpark. And then Thursday, Friday, look at that, 82 and 89. They're not records, but they're certainly closer to the records than they are to the normals. Clouds broke for a little while today, then thickened up late this afternoon. We've still got probably more clouds than blue sky out there tonight, but I think the blue sky will take over during the daytime tomorrow after clearing overnight. A chilly start in the 40s, but by afternoon back into the 70s with partly to mostly sunny skies. As we look forward to Thursday, I think for Valentine's Day, some maybe low clouds early, but again, mostly sunny skies kind of rule. And then Friday, same kind of thing. And Friday looks downright hot with temperatures approaching the 90-degree mark. We're dry though, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Don't see any mention of rain at all the next 3 days. There goes the front going through late last night, early this morning, and taking the rain with it. Look at all that. Just light stuff as we expected to be going through, but now some leftover high clouds. Those will move out as well. Clearing coming in from the north overnight tonight, giving us blue skies for tomorrow, as they're seeing across most of Texas today. Dallas is cleared, Houston's cleared, San Antonio's cleared out, and West Texas has cleared out as well. High pressure, that's what's making that happen as it kind of builds into Texas right now. It will kind of hang here for a little while, but then move off to the east. And by the end of the day tomorrow, winds probably already turning out of the east to southeast. And by Thursday, it's a pretty good southeasterly breeze. That brings the moisture back in, brings the humidity back up a little bit, and maybe some late night, early morning fog, but I don't think there's enough there just yet. That's a possibility, but not a big chance. By Friday, fronts start to show up on the weather map, but they're not going to get here. The pattern doesn't push any of these fronts through just yet. So I think we're still hot on Saturday, with temperatures on Saturday up close to 90 again. And then finally, this mess kind of starts to move out by Sunday, pushing a front through the valley, and that should cool things off for the second half of the weekend and the early part of next week. But until then, we see a pretty good warming trend. Winds tomorrow out of the east to southeast about 10 to 20 at the coast. A moderate chop, UV's moderate. Small craft advisory still in effect. Moderate risk of rip currents. There are 2 tides for tomorrow, one early in the morning, the other during the lunch hour. Here's your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight, then turning clear and cooler. 44 for your low. North winds at 4 to 8. Tomorrow back to 73. After a chilly start, cold early. Nice afternoon. Northerly winds early, turning around to the southeast as the day goes on. For Valentine's Day, back to 82, mostly sunny. Friday up to 89. Saturday, 89 again. A warm and humid day across the valley. We cool it off Sunday into Monday as the next front knocks on the door, even into Tuesday, a high of about 74. That is your updated first 1-5 forecast.